you're scrolling through your phone, seeing these stunning, crisp AI-generated images. Maybe it's a hyper-realistic portrait or a fantastical landscape, and you think, wow, I want to create something like that. You stumble upon Lunar, this AI image generation tool, and the question hits you, is it actually free? Or is it another one of those free trials that suddenly turns into a subscription nightmare? Let's be real, we've all been there. The promise of free, followed by a paywall. So, let's cut through the noise and get straight to the point about Lunar. What's the deal? The short answer is, it's complicated. And that's because, like many AI tools, Lunar operates on a freemium model. Think of it as a tiered system. You get access to certain features and a limited number of generations for free. This allows you to dip your toes in the water, experiment, and see if Lunar aligns with your creative vision. However, if you want to unlock the full potential, that's where the paid subscriptions come into play. These subscriptions typically grant you access to higher generation limits, faster processing times, and often, more advanced features like higher resolution outputs or specialized AI models. Now, let's break down what that free experience usually entails. Typically, you'll be able to generate a certain number of images per day or per month. This allows you to test out the basic functionalities, like text-to-image prompts and possibly some simple image editing tools. You'll get a feel for how the AI interprets your prompts and the kind of results it produces. But, here's the catch. The free tier often comes with limitations. These could include lower resolution outputs, longer wait times for generations, and restrictions on certain features. For example, you might not be able to upscale your images or use advanced editing tools without a subscription. So, why do they offer a free tier at all? It's a smart strategy. It's about getting you hooked. It's about letting you experience the potential of AI image generation firsthand. Once you see what's possible, you're more likely to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Think of it like a demo. You get a taste, and if you like it, you're encouraged to invest further. This model is common across many software and online services, especially in the rapidly evolving world of AI. It's also worth noting that the specifics of the free tier and paid subscriptions can change. AI tools are constantly being updated, and pricing models can be adjusted based on demand and development costs. Therefore, it's always best to check the official Lunar website or app for the most up-to-date information. In essence, Lunar offers a gateway to AI image generation for free, but to truly unleash its power, you'll likely need to subscribe. This allows users to experiment, learn, and then make an informed decision on whether the paid features align with their needs. It's a balance between accessibility and sustainability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.